What if your home could think faster than you? Today, I'm revealing smart gadgets and next-gen appliances that save time, cut stress, and upgrade your daily life instantly. You'll discover practical tech that actually solves problems. If something fits your needs, grab it through the links in the description below. And upgrade your daily life instantly. You'll discover practical tech that actually solves problems. If something fits your needs, grab it through the links in the description below. Moving to the first product on the list. What if your floors could clean themselves smarter than you? That's the curiosity that hits you the moment you meet the Samsung JetBot AI Plus robot vacuum, a device that doesn't just move dirt, it recognizes it. Powered by 3D sensors and AI object detection, this robot vacuum scans rooms and dodges tiny obstacles most bots would swallow, from cables to stray toys. For folks tired of daily sweeping, it feels like relief. Finally, a gadget that handles unpredictable messes and maps your space with true awareness. Controlled via the SmartThings app, you tell it where to clean, where to avoid, even track its progress live. Real talk, it isn't perfect. Some reviewers note noise and occasional struggles with pet hair compared to rivals like iRobot's premium models. And because this category keeps advancing fast, suctions and mapping rivals may edge ahead. If you want a hands-off way to keep floors reliably clean, especially in cluttered homes, this JetBot hits the sweet spot between innovation and practicality. The second one on the list is, imagine biting into a steak so tender the knife barely resists. That's the promise of precise temperature cooking that only Sous Vide delivers. The Sous Vide cooker turns your kitchen into a precision lab where flavor and texture are predictable, not hopeful. Most of us overcook meat or dry out vegetables because stovetops and ovens play with heat, not control. Enter the Sous Vide machine. It heats a water bath to the exact degree you choose, keeps it there for hours, and lets you walk away without worry. What real cooks notice first? Juices and aroma stay locked in, nutrients don't flee under high heat, and even simple chicken breasts taste luxuriously moist. Upsides? You get consistent results, quiet operation, and sometimes Wi-Fi app control for remote monitoring. Downsides? It's slower than searing and doesn't brown food. You'll need a quick finish on a pan or grill. Compared to basic immersion circulators, high-end models heat faster and hold temps tighter, perfect for serious weekend cooks or anyone who loves perfect meals without the guesswork. If you crave restaurant-style taste at home, this Sous Vide cooker earns a place in your kitchen. Third product on the list is, you might not see pollution, but your lungs feel it every morning. That's the invisible problem many homes face. Indoor air can hide dust, smoke, pollen, and fine particles that a simple sweep can't fix. That's where this new air purifier steps into your life, quietly, almost unnoticed at first, then irreplaceable. This air purifier new model blends a true HEPA filter with activated carbon to clear out particles and odors that make breathing heavy and uncomfortable. It senses air quality in real time and automatically adjusts fan speeds so you don't babysit settings. If your household deals with dust, pets, smoke, or seasonal allergies, this device brings noticeable relief, fresh, lighter air you can actually feel. In comparison, budget purifiers might struggle with larger rooms or fluctuating pollution, while older units lack intelligent sensors. One honest downside: filters need routine replacement, a small trade-off for cleaner air. If sleep, comfort, and fresh indoor air matter to you, this new air purifier is worth considering. Right when you think car tech can't surprise you anymore, fourth product on the list is the AutoCast P3 Pro. Transforms your dashboard into something you actually enjoy interacting with. As the fourth showstopper on our lineup, this AI-powered car box makes every drive feel smoother and more connected. Many of us have wrestled with tangled cables just to get CarPlay or Android Auto working. This AutoCast P3 Pro turns that chore into a one-plug experience and instantly gives you wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. No more plugging in every time you start your engine. Running Android 13 with AutoDrive 3.0, it opens up apps, split-screen views, and even a built-in cloud SIM for online access without a hotspot. Who should consider this? Daily commuters, tech lovers, and anyone tired of old-school infotainment setups. Downsides? Some users report Android Auto quirks and lag, so it isn't flawless. Compared to simpler adapters, this Pro version feels more like a mini tablet for your dash, bringing entertainment and navigation together in one place, even if you won't always trust it to work perfectly every time. Ever wondered if your webcam could move with your thoughts? The fifth product on the list is the Insta360 Link does just that. With AI-powered auto-tracking, it follows you smoothly across your desk or room, keeping you centered during calls and recordings. Suddenly, your video meetings feel less like a chore and more like a professional broadcast. Many of us struggle with static webcams that miss gestures or leave us half-framed. The Insta360 Link solves this by combining 4K video, AI face and body tracking, and HDR adjustments for crystal-clear visuals in any lighting. You don't have to fight shadows or worry about moving out of frame. Who benefits most? Remote workers, content creators, educators, or anyone seeking a polished video presence. Downsides? The price is higher than typical webcams, and low light tracking can occasionally lag. Compared to standard USB webcams, it's a leap forward in versatility and immersion. For anyone wanting to upgrade how they're seen online, Insta360 Link transforms ordinary streams into professional-grade presence. Now, as we go to the sixth product on the list, imagine coming home to a playful companion that never tires, never barks, yet somehow knows exactly how to make you smile. That's the moment you meet the Enabot Ebo Rolla. This little AI robot rolls, dances, and interacts, turning empty rooms into lively play zones. Many pet lovers face the reality of long work days, limited outdoor time, or busy schedules that leave pets bored or lonely. The Ebo Rolla solves this with remote control features, app-based games, and autonomous roaming that keeps both pets and humans entertained. Its built-in camera lets you check in anytime, so even miles away, you stay connected. Who should consider it? Busy professionals, families, or anyone wanting a tech-savvy companion. Downsides? It's not a full substitute for real pet's affection, and battery life can limit extended play sessions. Compared to simpler robotic toys, Ebo Rolla combines intelligence, mobility, and engagement, delivering interaction that feels genuinely alive. With Enabot Ebo Rolla, fun and companionship meet innovation in one rolling package. Ever stared at streaky windows and wished they could clean themselves? Well, the seventh product is perfect for yourself. The WinBot W2S window cleaning robot turns that wish into reality. It glides over glass surfaces, scrubbing and polishing while you focus on anything but ladders or squeegees. Cleaning high or hard-to-reach windows is exhausting. Many of us risk safety, strain muscles, or spend hours for only half-satisfying results. The WinBot W2S solves this with suction-based movement, multiple cleaning modes, and smart sensors that prevent slips or collisions. Its compact design adapts to large panes and smaller frames alike. Upsides? Hands-free operation, consistent streak-free results, and time saved. Downsides? It requires monitoring on unusually textured glass and occasional edge adjustments. Compared to traditional robotic window cleaners, it's faster and safer, though slightly pricier. Ideal for apartment dwellers, office spaces, or anyone with expansive glass surfaces, the WinBot W2S transforms tedious chores into effortless shine, letting your windows sparkle without lifting a finger. Did you know a single light can change your mood, productivity, and even sleep patterns? That's the promise of AI smart light bulbs. These aren't just bulbs, they're an intelligent ambiance system that adapts to your life. Traditional lighting leaves you flipping switches or adjusting dimmers manually, never quite getting the tone right. AI smart light bulbs solve this with app control, voice commands, and scheduling, letting you wake up gently, focus during work, or relax in a warm glow, all without lifting a finger. Upsides? Endless color options, energy efficiency, and smart automation that feels like magic. Downsides: initial setup can be tricky, and not every bulb integrates seamlessly with all smart home systems. Compared to basic smart bulbs, these AI-powered ones respond faster and create more dynamic lighting scenes. Perfect for remote workers, gamers, or anyone craving a home that adapts to their lifestyle, AI smart light bulbs make everyday spaces feel alive. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, hit subscribe and tap the bell for more honest gadget insights. Drop a comment below on which product impressed you most, and don't forget to check out the next video. I've got even more smart tech coming your way. Stay curious and see you in the next one.